You are welcome back to this lesson.
As we have explained, you can use payment method so that you will sell through your website or through your landing page. But if you don't want to do that, you can also sell through WhatsApp so that you receive your money through your bank account direct. So I refer to that one as direct payments. And there is another option of selling platforms where you can set up your digital product on a selling platforms like Seller, Payhip, or even Systeme.io. So any of these platforms can help you. I am going to show you how to do this with Seller. The steps are basically the same with other platforms. If you are ready, let's go back to our system and you see how to do all of these things.
So if you don't want to use all these methods that we have just shown you, creating a landing page, creating a payment method, and also linking it with your landing page and all of that, you can just use Seller to do all this. Seller will do all the combination for you. So go to seller.com. But the reason why we are showing you all this is because Seller will not allow you to design your landing page the way you want it, keeping all the images and pictures together. You can see how I have my own in my own custom website. Even though it is not professionally done, but I am able to put my purchase button where I want it to be, embed a YouTube video, then design, put different designs, formatting, images, another payment button, then customer review images. There are limited things to what you can do if you are using Seller. But then if you don't have a website like I do, or you don't want to stress yourself with landing page and setting up payment method, you can just go straight to Seller and Seller will do the rest for you. From Seller, you will need to create an account, but since I already have an account, I will just log in. So after creating accounts and you log in, you will see something like this. As you can see, I have 3 products here and I have made some sales. For you to create your own product page, what you will need to do is to click on this menu button. Then from here, you click on products and then click on add products. Then looking at this page, you will see that we will have different plans. You can choose physical products or digital products or tickets like events. You want to sell tickets for events, football match and things like that. You can also use subscription. Your clients will be paying you on monthly or annual basis depending on your choice. It can also be a service. All these ones are free, but we'll have this one that says Pro. And this is the reason why we are creating this course, because Seller, just like many other online course platform, Udemy, Coursera and all of that, you have to be paying monthly subscription for you to upload your video to their platform. So you can see it is asking us to upgrade in order to use this. We will not be wasting time to see the price for this upgrading. When you create an account, you can check it by yourself. So we are not using this. We'll be hosting our video free of charge on Telegram. So they still have live streaming and membership course. All these ones, they are hosted and they are pro. You will pay them to be on this platform. So since we are not hosting our products there, we just want to use their method to collect our payments and also display ad copy about this online course. We'll select this one, digital products. From here, we'll first of all add an image for this product. Let me just use the same image we have been using. After that, I will give the product a name. Then I will set price for the product. If I want to show strike through, say the price was 20,000. But it is now 5,000. That is what this one will do for me. The next thing will be to include description. If you know how to write good copy that will convert, By convert, I mean something that will make people to buy. Then you write it yourself. As you can see, most of the things you will be able to do here are text-based. That does not mean you cannot add images. So that is why we look for the option of using landing page. But if you don't want to take those processes, you can use seller. After adding your description, you can use these options here to format them. Then you choose the category. Let's say business, then subcategory, e-commerce or whatever. Then we also choose digital products. You decide whether it is a pre-sale or the product is ready. Then here you decide whether you are giving buyer access to any file. But this is an online course. We are not giving them any file unless you just want to add a PDF. So we'll turn it off. The one we are going to turn on is automatically redirect the buyer to an external URL after purchase. We go and grab our Telegram group link and then add it here. So after adding our link, we'll then click on create products. You can see our product is created. We can view it from here. So this is our product. When a user click on this buy now, it will take them with how to make payments here in seller. Let's say checkout. After they make payments, it will now take them to Telegram. So this is another option you can use if you don't want to use payment method and all of that. So this is the end of this particular section. Last will be the concluding parts.